Let's be honest. Most people have no idea where their money goes every month. It just disappears. Rent, food, subscriptions, a coffee here, a dinner there, and suddenly it's the 28th and you're waiting for payday. Sound familiar? There's a dead simple rule that fixes this forever. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. And in the next 3 minutes, you'll never think about budgeting the same way again. Here's how it works. Take your monthly income after tax. Split it into 3 buckets. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and investments. That's it. No complicated spreadsheets, no tracking every single coffee, just 3 numbers. Let's break it down. The first bucket, 50%, is your needs. This is rent, groceries, transport, utilities, insurance, the things you absolutely cannot live without. If you earn €2,000 per month, that's €1,000 for needs. If your needs are eating more than 50% of your income, that's your first warning sign. Something needs to change. A cheaper apartment, a side income, or cutting a fixed cost. The second bucket, 30%, is your wants. Restaurants, Netflix, gym, holidays, new clothes, the fun stuff. You're allowed to enjoy your money. That's €600 out of 2,000. This is not guilt money. Enjoying life is part of the plan. The key is staying within the 30%. Once it's gone for the month. The third bucket, 20%, is where wealth is built. This is savings, investments, emergency fund, paying off debt. On €2,000, that's €400 every single month going toward your future. Put it into an ETF, a high-yield savings account, or use it to pay down a loan faster. This bucket is non-negotiable. Pay yourself first before anything else. Here's the most important thing. Automate it. The moment your salary hits your account, set up automatic transfers, €400 straight into your investment account. Done. You never even see it, you never miss it. And in 10 years, you'll be incredibly glad you did it. The 50-30-20 rule won't make you rich overnight, but it will stop you from being broke. And that's where every financial journey begins. If this helped you, subscribe for weekly videos. No jargon, just clear insights you can actually use. See you next week.